Why embracing your low moments can rebuild low self-esteem. Why embracing your low moments can rebuild low self-esteem. Life generally is a rich fabric woven from both joyful experiences and challenging times. Yes, life is like a rich material, woven from both joyful experiences and challenging times. Now, one, accepting your low moments can be a transformative step toward rebuilding and enhancing your self-esteem. Two, when we consider hardship, it's common to feel overwhelmed by inadequacy or self-doubt. Yet, these difficult moments hold the key to significant personal growth. All right? So, by recognizing your vulnerabilities, you can address them directly rather than hiding them behind a mask of perfection. We can address them directly rather than hiding them behind a mask of perfection. Also, reflecting on these experiences offers valuable insights into your core values, strengths, and areas for growth. This understanding can cultivate resilience, helping you see that setbacks are merely stepping stones in your journey of self-improvement. Then the next point. Moreover, opening up about your challenges or struggles with trusted friends, your family member, can also deepen your sense of connection and remind you also that you are not alone. Now, it's through these supportive relationships that you can begin to rebuild your self-esteem.